Hello my friends, welcome to Trading Cast. Today is 15th of August 2025. So yesterday this crypto big drop and the US market dropped a bit but went back up in the evening. Okay, because what happened? The PPI producer price index actually gone up way above expectation. Okay, so that day the CPI number was below expectation, slightly below expectation, which is good. But PPI producer price means the producer side, the price is going up. Okay, so this suddenly caused a panic, especially on the crypto market, big drop. Okay, but as I said, US, a lot of their consumer product are imported. So don't know how much it will affect the inflation. So that's why in the beginning there's a lot of panic. But then in the evening, gradually the market goes back up. Okay, so we're going to continue and see how. But I do caution a bit. I think US, we are near to the correction phase. As I said, US with all the this what do you call it? This trade war. Sorry, trade war. Just now I did a very long Chinese video, a lot of questions. So a bit jam already. Okay. So with the trade war, okay, all this trade barrier, all this trade war, tariff, all these things, sooner or later it will have some impact in the economy, in the foreign trade, in the global trade. Because this is not abnormal, right? This is abnormal, okay? All this will have an impact, okay? So sooner or later, I told you the pain will come together when together with Fed, okay, starting to cut rate. These are telltale sign of a market correction. Big correction means not a small 5%, 10%. We're talking about 20% kind of correction at least, and also something like 20%, okay. And also like this whenever Fed cut rate, normally is US will go into recession and market will have a correction, a crash, okay. Normally it happen like that. Also, this could be all this could be telltale sign of the pain, okay, of the trade war. All these the pain will come eventually, okay, eventually will come, okay. So I think caution a bit, okay. Okay, a quick disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Well, you see the US market has been ripping higher and higher. Sooner or later, sooner or later, the day for a drop will come. As Newton said, everything that go up must come down. When there is gravity okay, involved. Okay, everything goes up must come down. So sooner or later it will come down. Okay, we just so we are nearer and nearer to the phase. Okay, remember, people are calling recession since 2023, right? It did not happen. The first target for recession was end of 2023. It did not happen. Then they say early 2024, it did not happen. Late 2024, it did not happen. Now if we are at the late 2025, so sooner or later it will come. So there's no way to the market correction, the big correction, it will come. Market cannot go up forever. Okay. Okay, let's check out Bursa. Now it's 7 o'clock already. So today the numbers are the final one. Okay, so KLSE 1576 dropped 4.7 points, 0.298%. Singapore up, dropped 0.611%. Hong Kong dropped 0.977%, South Korea up 0.04%, Japan dropped 1.709%, Thailand dropped 0.572%, China FTSE up 0.01%, China SSE up 0.827%, China SXSE up 1.600%, S&P up 0.73%. So it's not that bad. Okay, Taiwan up 0.398%, and India up 0.049. So it's not as bad as what the all the news are projected. So okay, so Asia still okay actually. And look at UK. UK still okay, 0.083 up. DAX also up 0.297%. German. Look at US. Dow Jones dropped 0.025%. NYSE dropped 0.284%. S&P dropped up 0.3%. Some more up. And Nasdaq dropped 0.011%. So initially, after the scare, right, the fear, the panic, okay, dropped, but then slowly people climbing, buying the dip. So it's slowly still people are still optimistic, okay, because PPI, PPI will generate some kind of in price increase inflation, price increase, but how much and how soon, maybe not so soon, okay, we might need to wait some time, because these are in the production side. When it reach the shelf, right, it could be half a year or it could be few months or half a year later, so so we have to continue and see, continue monitor. That's why they say, maybe not so fast, that's why it's still going up, back up, okay. Crude palm oil 4,360, Brent oil 66, crude oil 63, not very strong, but palm oil strong, gold 3,385, okay not very strong, silver 37, still flat still okay. And then US dollar against ringgit 4.21, not much, drop a bit. Bitcoin still went back up to 118, still holding 116, okay. And Ethereum 4639. Later we're gonna take a look at the chart. Okay, look at Bursa first. Bursa today 1576, 4.7 points, 4.71 points, up 0.3%. Volume 2 billion. So looks like our institution is running out of bullet. Okay, with the retail selling, with the foreign selling. So finally they are running out of bullet. Only 2 billion they can push today . Sentiment is 47, gainers 449, losers 488, unchanged 497, untrade 1133 . So foreign funds still selling quite heavily. Yesterday 103 million, institution net buy 93 million, and local retail net buy 6. Luckily local retail got buy a bit yesterday okay, 6 million. Okay, look at heat map. Not much to talk about today. Okay. Look at the sector, all in percentage. Construction drop, construction up 0.07, consumer drop 0.1, energy up 0.18, finance up 0.16, healthcare drop 0.42, industry drop 0.44, plantation up 1.02, property drop 0.25, REIT up 0.19, technology drop 0.72, telco drop 0.8, transportation up 0.72, utilities up 0.05 So mix okay. Mixed result. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart. Look at KLCI. Okay, KLCI broken through. So KLCI is, as long I think okay, it is having some retracement. As long as it does not drop below 1550, I think it's fine if it still retrace back to here and rebound for me, it still can go higher. Okay, unless it drop below 1550 and continue to drop, then this is bad. Okay, so after such a big move, a retracement back to 50% retracement is okay consider okay. Okay, look at ACE market. ACE market today strong, breakout 1% 1% breakout. So I think it's coming to test this trend line here, and 4813 at this area okay, it's coming to test this area. Okay, or this head and shoulder target area you see head and shoulder, right? The target area is telling. Okay, mid cap drop today 0.18, mid cap still flat. Okay, and small cap still struggling to go up in the flat pattern. Also it's still a resistance here, so it still looks like it's still got the potential going down. It's still higher okay, probability of going down. Look at production, not much, flat. Look at technology, technology yesterday we got dark cloud cover, but it tak jadi because end of the day they push it up a bit lah. But still some kind of a dark cloud cover lah. Also today drop a bit. So as long as stay above 53, still fine lah. If it drop below 53, then maybe a bit. For now, still a little bit of retracement above 53. I think still okay. Transportation up a bit. Nothing much other than that. Okay. Look at Facebook. Intel stop spike after report of possible US government. Oh, sorry, we haven't checked out Bitcoin. Okay. We check out Intel also lah. Bitcoin, you see, we got big bullish, bearish engulfing. This bearish candle is very big. You see, we long time we never see this style of big candle yet. Here, right? Okay. That was okay. Okay, that was March early lah. Okay, that time okay, March time, all this okay, March, okay, April. But after that we don't see such a big bearish candle lah. Okay, we got one here lah, which is not as big as this. So this is a bit worried lah, because as I said, okay, maybe the pain is coming lah. Maybe the pain is near lah. But as I said, if tonight or tomorrow it can reclaim back to about 120, okay, as I said, okay. But if it cannot hold 116, I think probably this spike probably finished lah and created a top with a double top, a double top here. This top, then I think the end of the end of the bull market could be lah. Okay, so you have to be careful now lah. Okay, those Ethereum, you see really fly very high, right? Okay, very near to our target already. Those you take some profit is fine I think lah. Okay, take some profit. Those really fly very high. And keep some, maybe still can run lah. For Intel, okay, Intel okay, Intel spike out lah, because as I said, remember I told you the story last time, I said, right? Okay, Intel is used to be the biggest semiconductor company in US. They are the Intel and US is like a how they call it it's like a slogan for US, right? Okay, you talk about US, you think of Intel, or you think of US, or you think of this all these computer company, Apple or AMD, so I don't think US will let it fail and some more AMD, Nvidia, all this, right? They depend on Taiwan to create the chip. Taiwan, under so much pressure from China, right? So US will want a strong chip maker themselves a strong chip maker, so anything happen to Taiwan, they still can fall back on it. So that's why I think I told you, right? I think US government, Trump government, remember I told you, right? I think he will support because America first Okay, AMD, Nvidia, although they don't produce in America, they produce in Taiwan right? Okay, about Taiwan opening factory here okay, but it's still a Taiwan company, right? Okay, but so I think that Trump, okay, will find a way to support Intel. You see, now they want to buy in stake on Intel okay, so remember I told you last time, long time ago, right? I think at least a few months, half a year ago, right? I told you, not half a year, okay, when Trump stepped in, I think around March time when Trump won already, okay, I told you, right? I most likely he will go and support Intel. Now finally it's happening, okay. Okay, or new spike, one news limit down, new error stock exchange Timothy. So John Sniper watching. US is copying China core business will be controlled by US government. Maybe Jai Kumar say today Mr. Bean no mood so, okay, Faytech Ping Faytech rebound take a look. Faytech need to at least break double bottom breakthrough here then maybe can break to 38 cents. break to 38 cents, then maybe can. You know, pick bottom, right? There is strategy lah. Cannot simply because it's low break. You need to do a bottom. You need to do a bottom. So if you pop up above 0.38, then maybe can consider lah. So you got kung fu lah. You can see this most means you already most likely you already attend secret value investing lah. Okay, that's why he can see. That's why they can see this. Okay, but yes, you are right. It's low, but still remember you got kung fu. You are not blindly invest. You have to wait for the pattern to form. Okay, the pattern we already discussed right in the Zoom class. Okay, so now you know what to look for. If that happen, then you can try. Okay. Okay, Joe, no IC, Andy. Laughing. Still waiting. Kiwi. Tan say Friday got surprise lah. MN tak lao say boom explode lah. Then didn't buy. You cannot buy lah. That one those who got the news one okay, inside news calling morning 9 o'clock already fly 40% already. I think. Louis no more lah. I think 9 o'clock already fly. That one cannot chase lah. MNRB got news later when they take a look. KL Tong, Raymond RGB. RGB not so good. Double top. Rebroken through. Not so good this one. Okay. Today I deleted a lot of this. Banned a lot of this scammer. Remember, don't reply to all these scammer. Okay. They ask you to join them. Join them. What investment or what scammer? Don't join them. I delete also cannot complete all cannot remove all I delete. After delete, more new one come in. But you just need to know okay. Use your own kung fu to invest. Don't let people all this who don't know all this invest for you. Once you learn the kung fu, at least you watch my video, you also still got kung fu. But learn the whole package learn everything that I know okay. Join this secret value this auto profit course, including secret auto profit strategy and secret value investing strategy. 明日几时有把酒问青天 I think this was a song talking about what drink first today right I think. AMD forming cup and handle. Look. Doesn't seem like cup and handle a little bit, but not very obvious I think it's still on an uptrend channel in an uptrend channel okay. I think it's on an uptrend channel. Okay, uptrend channel. As long as still uptrend, okay okay. So cup and handle you can't actually see you go to the monthly also you can't see right. Cup and handle you have to have an obvious handle obvious handle okay. Then only you see the obvious cup and handle. Now you haven't see the handle really form you can't see. Daily you can't see it. Weekly also you can't see it look a little bit but you can't see it in the weekly right. At least a few bar, sideways few bar, you see the handle But for now it's still going up still okay okay, still okay okay. But doesn't seem like an actual pharma Tang. Pharma, as I said, news already goring finished already. These are what we call it well, pharma already complete regularization plan means so initially it could be delisted then it got that issue. Then after regularization plan so all the danger already passed but so all regularization plan already got it to spike so the goring the news will finish. Now since it already saved now it's waiting for what to push up waiting for the quarter report. So if the report show that the company is going in the right path. I think slowly it's going back up lah, but the spike one already finished already lah. All the these are news and especially next, you say that next year you can actually exit from PN17 so all these are good lah. So you see slowly it's recovering lah, but all the spike one already finished lah. The goring news already finished lah. Okay, now you wait for the fundamental good. It will continue rebound lah. Irene, when is the course, auto profit course how to register okay, September okay, I will come out, I will start okay, the promotion, then I will give you all the link how to put it in Facebook, put it the website, everything okay, so you can register from there okay. Remember learn the course okay, this could be the final one so I have no plan to do it next year or to continue to do it so after do this one, very likely I will not do anymore okay. So take the opportunity, learn all the kung fu remember I said 999, you use the kung fu for 20 years 50 years how much only okay, because you can use this kung fu for another 20 30 50 years. If you want to invest another 50 years okay, you can use this kung fu for another 50 years for this kung fu 999, but it's totally don't even need to think about it okay. And my kung fu, it's not that I'm hiding something tell you how good or claim here claim there claim everything but no actual show you how the kung fu works so now I'm every day I tell you, I show you how the kung fu works okay. But of course my secret value investing and this auto profit and the lightsaber how to cut loss when there's danger, to cut loss when they want to take profit, at least you know you have this lightsaber to save you from simply making mistake or when the stock is very strong, you go in already, went up a bit, you scared already, take profit already, people and they got another 20-30% to move, you already up already so all these we can have the strategy to achieve the good this profit margin okay. And also when the market is bad, even better. KS is very happy I remember I told you KS is very happy when the market is bad. Yes, when all the good stock go down, I use my secret value investing strategy. I hold a big pile okay. When it grow up, just like growing a durian tree Musang King very small, I grow when it grow up, I get a lot of Musang King to sell okay. So this is how like growing a durian tree so I pick at a low price okay. I wait for those, I get 200%, 100 over. Property stock also can get 100 over %. Remember and the AAX, all those I can get 200 over. Some of you remember you get over more than me, 200 plus. AAX I get 200. Some of you reported get 200 over okay. Even for the property also, right? Okay. So once you learn all this you can apply all this for another 20 50 years let's say you're 20 years old now okay. You invest until 80 years old, you 60 years you can use the kung fu someone now 999, you know how 999 is very small money only right, for learning the kung fu okay. So don't even think about it don't even think want or don't want you don't want, you miss it, then you might not you might not get another chance to learn the kung fu because I don't plan to continue okay. I mean I'm still doing all this video all this in my own practice, my own kung fu but the teaching one probably okay, I will stop at least for a while okay. So I got no plan to do it next year. Bumi Amada, with the oil price like that, I doubt Bumi Amada is going anywhere okay. Expected okay, fail really going back down the oil price unless the oil price can go back above 70, then only we talk okay. Oh my god, Andy Coraza. So you can register when I say start the promotion, you can find the form, everything to register. Then after that end of December okay, we'll do the Zoom class. Of course I want you to study study the course first, so you get the 15 chapter video for you to watch. You can use a handphone, tablet, whatever online equipment, okay, Windows or Android, Apple, watch, okay, I give you around 2 months to watch lah, okay, then after that, I will install the auto profit signal, okay, the auto profit signal for you. I also will install the this smart MCGX which you can use it to monitor the this institution momentum, the red color momentum, institution momentum, okay. So smart money and institution okay. So after that, then we go to Zoom class to discuss how to use the auto profit strategy when the market is strong, how to chase. Like now we chase Bitcoin, breakout, when to out, okay, when you think cannot really out, okay, if it's doing well, we use the auto profit signal, we use this light saber to chase, how you're going higher, okay, we can follow, okay, until the signal tell us cannot already sell already, and then we sell, and of course the market drop, we use our secret value investing strategy, right? Okay. Coraza still sideways, Coraza buy bottom channel, buy support, sell resistance, buy at around 37 cents, sell around 60 cents like that, unless it stay above 60, then maybe you got a breakout, okay. Zero 0279 is a net gate, right? Synergy, sorry. Synergy, okay. Synergy, as I said, okay, Synergy. Any big rebound near the 66 cent run, take some profit first. Long term, it could be long term, but it could be short term, because you see previously a lot of people selling here. So we go up here a bit, get some profit, take first. Leave some, see long term. If we can break over 66 cent, then maybe long term you want to hold more. Okay. Volume got 700 over to 4.99 million. So this one, definitely you already attend secret value investing. That's why you can see it's at the bottom, it's at a low price. So today it went up another 16%. Already went up double digit for a few days already. But this one I think it's fast. So if we go up a bit, take some profit first, you are happy first. Okay, then keep some, see whether long term it can continue up or not. Okay, but this one, this area you need to clear this area first. 0.66. Okay, then maybe you want to add already. Tango, I think already calling finished already Tango, yeah, already finished not so fast I think Tango still got much to drop okay. Crypto I got warned a bit because yesterday candle very big, so I say be careful Lam Ricky like to boring, like to play crypto signal to buy but for me I think you hold first and wait for it. If we can break above 120, maybe you want to try okay.
Cuckoo International reports small fall in 2Q profit, upbeat on long-term prospects.
Okay, I checked already. Revenue still okay. That's why I saw it stay about 84 cents. I think still fine okay. Revenue I saw still okay. Only profit drop a bit, but revenue still okay.
Swift Haulage's 2Q net profit drops 19% on cost, tax pressure.
Okay, tax pressure so it's not really that bad but looking at the chart, it's not so good because you've broken through the channel. I think any rebound, treat it as a chance to run first okay.
KEYFIELD's net profit falls 5.2 PCT to RM 66.36 mil in 2Q.
Okay, KEYFIELD I just checked the profit, the revenue also dropped a lot. That's why this one will be careful. Okay, this one continue to drop This one better not play.
MNRB's 1Q net profit surges 83% on strong underwriting, lower expenses.
Big profit This one I will not chase also gap up, gap up some more it really starting falling down channel. So unless it break above, then I think you keep for longer term lah. This one I think going already 1% with this gap. So I'm not keen to chase. Some more you see happen at a pin bar also stuck here, so I'm not keen to chase lah. Okay. For now.
CHINHIN selling stakes in firms for RM 74 mil.
Okay.
CHINHIN Group Property BHD is disposing of its stakes in 4 companies to N and K Resources, MSDN BHD for RM 74 mil, to focus on its core business of property development.
Okay, CHINHIN I already said CHINHIN we got a short-term rebound here. Okay, but long-term I don't think so. Unless it stay above 2.49, then only I will consider for long-term lah. Because we might have a head and shoulder here. If we can stay above 2.49, this one just a short-term rebound lah for now. Okay.
CIMB Securities projects 4% to 9% rise in Telecom Malaysia's 2Q core net profit.
Okay, 755 they give target. Okay, so still can go higher lah. 755, but now 710 is very near lah. So the gap is so small. Some more the stock is so expensive, so I'm not very keen to chase like that lah. To chase this gap, small gap and an expensive stock.
Japan posts unexpectedly strong GDP, helped by resilient exports.
Okay, some more they get low tariff, happy lah.
China's factory output, retail sales growth slump in blow to economy.
Also, some more they get high tariff, also probably around 30 to 50%. So not easy for China industry now.
Genting Malaysia's loss-making Empire Resorts to sell non-gaming assets for RM 2.2B to cut costs, clear debt.
Okay, so they are doing this all these changes lah. Okay, so hopefully if we can, hopefully it can break to 2.08, maybe it still can go. Okay, you continue to watch lah. Okay, it can break 2.08, it might still go. Okay, this one, Genting. So they are doing step to remedy their business.
AFFIN Bank's 2Q net profit rises over 21%. Flags modest, impact on margins from rate cut.
AFFIN business is okay, but still in a downtrend. Unless it break to 2.66, then only I will try lah. Okay.
Asian stocks slip. FX struggle as US data dashes big Fed rate cut hopes.
Also, they said because the high PPI, Fed might not cut rate lah. Also, but the rate cut prediction is still very high lah. Okay, still very high. Okay, a quick message before we continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. You want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link Okay, top gainers. MMSV, MMSV got a good report. MMSV, yeah, the profit up 200%. Okay, from 700 over thousand to 2.8 million, revenue 5.4 million to 10 million. So that's why suddenly going cao MMSV. Okay, but I'm not chasing you see gap up, some more you see exactly where it came back down. So it closed where? Remember the triangle we draw, right? Okay, so you see it went up above the triangle, hit the resistance here 0.495, came back down. So it's still up 45%. But this one no, so 45% no need to. For me, I never chase too much already. Some more you see it closed back where? Below the trend line, below the downtrend trend line. Also, it's still somehow it closed big bearish candle evening star. Also, this one definitely I will not chase. I'm not saying cannot go out, but I'm not chasing all this. Okay, despite and all those you also got no time to chase because this one all those got inside tip one jump in you see 9 o'clock already fly 40% already so this one got no chance. Normal investor got no chance unless you are inside you got inside news Okay, LSH. Remember I said broke 0.86, you have to watch. Then they broke here already go up, but this is too late to chase overbought already. Okay, DKSH. DKSH not so good. DKSH near the top here. I'm not chasing here too high already. KSL. Okay. KSL is slowly still going You give it some time it might still go here but you take time This one not very strong, but slowly it's still going up So looks like today got more momentum. 4%, probably still got chance to go to 1.93 Even though it's not very strong IBRACO not so good. IBRACO already got rejected by the top channel. This one not so good. WELLCHIP. Okay, WELLCHIP still going on long term. Maybe around 1.4 area. Maybe want to take some profit here Okay. Top channel sell the top channel. Okay. Synergy. Synergy just now we talked already Okay, Synergy talked already. CHP. CHP still going If you are holding it still okay If you take profit already, maybe you still can go slightly a bit higher to the top here but very near the top already very near the top already. Okay, so I'm not very keen to chase in here even though it break out Okay, we don't chase at the top Okay, UMS we can't actually see the chart UMS chart is very thin volume Okay, very thin volume. UMS can't actually see this one. Okay, volume 5,000 Okay, so today we discuss until here. So tomorrow we're going to look at the global market, US and the crypto especially Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.